Alrighty, hi guys, how's it going? Second week of online learning. Hopefully you're keeping up and doing well. I think that everybody can do well at this, so keep it up. If you have questions, please continue to email me. Okay, so let's talk about this question. So the question for this unit is, do photosynthetic organisms use energy to transform matter? Okay, so do photosynthetic organisms, like a plant, okay, does it use energy to transform matter? That's the question. Okay, so some of the things you might be confused or stuck on with this question is, one, what is matter? We've talked about this before. Okay, so let's review. Matter is anything that takes up space. Okay, anything that takes up space or has mass. So are these specific? Everything has a specific matter, right? A plant is a plant, has a specific matter. So the question is, are these matters changing from one form of matter to another? That's transforming, it's changing. Okay, so we have something that's taking up space, so we have this specific matter. Is it changing from one thing to another? Is a plant able to do that with energy? That's the question. Okay, so let's think back. At the beginning of the year, we learned about chemistry. Okay, chemistry at the chemistry unit. We talked about chemistry for a long time. We talked about specific types of matter, like atoms and molecules. Okay, so we know everything in the world, all matter is made up of atoms. And those atoms come from that periodic table. Remember looking at the periodic table, and you've got carbon in there, and oxygen, and hydrogen, and anything in the world that you can see, or is matter, is made up of these things, the atoms in the periodic table. Okay, so you've got atoms in the periodic table. Those atoms, remember, they come together and they make up what are called molecules. Molecules link together and they make up all of matter. Okay, so what we're talking about here is during photosynthesis, are atoms being rearranged to make new molecules? Because remember, do you remember doing Legos at the beginning of the year? And I gave you Legos, and you would assign an atom to each color of Lego, and then you could make a molecule for me. Then I'd say, okay, use those same Legos and make a different molecule, and you could rearrange them and making them into a different molecule or a different set of molecules. Okay, so that's the question. We are asking, is photosynthesis taking atoms and rearranging them into different molecules? Okay, is that happening or is it not? Okay, that's our question. Sorry, one sec. So let's think about it. Okay, what is the chemical equation for photosynthesis? Okay, it looks like this. We're taking energy. Okay, I wrote it out for you. Oh, that is the wrong one. Let me show you this one. It's a better one. Okay, we are taking energy and from the sun, and we are taking carbon dioxide and then water, and the plant is taking those things and we're getting out this and this. Okay, so is that transforming matter? That's your question. Okay, is it transforming matter by using sunlight energy? Okay, I think you know the answer. This equation shows you the answer. So I need you to go through for the question and use the labs that you did, the virtual lab you did this week, and also the research that you did about other people in the past who figured out how photosynthesis worked in the first place. They had to do labs. Okay, so read those, see what you think, write it out, use evidence from those labs, right? So like when you measured the plants or measured how many bubbles were rising, use that evidence. Okay, if you have any other questions, let me know, but I think you guys will do great.